Hey everyone, welcome back to Kodex Academy. Do you know we can use our hand movement instead of keyboard and mouse to make amazing games and animation in Scratch? We can use only camera to detect our hand gesture and make amazing Scratch project which is more interactive and fun. This video, it's really help you to explore AI concept like computer vision in an easy and visual way. So, are you ready to know what is hand sensing? But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends. Let's jump into Scratch and know how we can control our sprite with our hand. Okay. Now first we are going to the browser and here I will type Race Playground. Okay, so this is my Race Playground. I'll click on it and I will open the first option. I will open in a new tab. Okay, so you can see this is the home screen of Race Playground, which you have already seen in many tutorial, belongs to the face sensing and all. So now what we are going to do, I will open my playground. So this is the Race Playground platform where you can connect the Scratch with AI. Okay. Now this is the video regarding the hand sensing. So what we are going to do, we are going to add the hand sensing extension and then I will tell you about the use of each and every block belongs to hand sensing and how this hand sensing blocks will help you to create amazing Scratch project in interactive and fun way. Okay, so I will go to this extension. You can see the option add extension. I'll click on that and you can see there is so many extension. So today we are going to discuss about hand sensing. So I will take this one. Okay, there are not too many blocks and you can see my camera is on. You can see on the screen. If you want to turn off, you can do it. If you want to increase the transparency, that is also you can do it. Okay, like you can see there is an option turn video off. You can make it off. If I'll click on that, you can see automatically my camera will off. Okay, but if you want to on, you can do it. So I will make it on. Okay, so my camera is on here. And now if you want to set the transparency, you can do it. You can take the transparency block and here if I'll make it 0. Okay, you can see the clear vision of my camera. Okay, now I don't want this sprite, so I will change it, or if you want the same sprite, you can take it. Okay, so I will take any sprite you can take. I will take this ball. Okay, that would be fine. And I'll delete this sprite. Now we are going to the first block and we'll see how this block will work for us. Okay, so here this is mentioned go to thumb and tip. If I click on this drop down, you can see there is mentioned thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and pinky finger, right? And here you can see top, second knuckle, first knuckle and base. So according to your wish, you can control your sprite by your hand instead of using keyboard and mouse, and easily it will move according to your hand sensing. Okay, do you want to see? If here I want, it will work when I just click on any particular keyboard key. So what I'm going to do, I will click on the event block and take when space key press. Okay, and then I want this particular sprite go to my thumb at tip part. Okay, I will put my hand here and now I'll just click on the space key. Okay, you can see how smoothly the sprite come to tip part of thumb. Okay, now If you want to change it, you can do it. I will take it middle finger, and here also I will take it first knuckle. Okay, and now again I will press the space key and you will see the effect. Okay, see how smoothly it can detect first knuckle of middle finger, right? Isn't easy? Yes. So you can easily control your sprite with your hand movement. If I'll move my hand like this and then again if I'll press the space key, then you will see the effect. Okay, right? How smoothly it working, right? If you want to change it, you can do it. Like I will make it pinky finger and here I will select the base. Okay, now you will see the effect. You can see it come to the base of pinky finger, right? Okay, so you can see how amazingly it worked for us. You can control your sprite movement with the help of your hand. Where your hand will rotate, according to that also sprite can rotate. Okay, now we'll move to the sensing block and we'll see how you can rotate your sprite with your hand like this. Okay, so before we move, let me know in the comment, do you understand how we can use this block? If it's working for you, please mention working, and if you feel any problem regarding that, please mention in comment box. So we'll definitely reply on that. Okay, now we'll go to the another block. That is, you can see it's mentioned get X, Y from thumb and tip. So here also if we'll drop down, you can see same type of options are available, which is already available on this block as well. And here also same base, first knuckle, second knuckle and tip. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I want to set the X and Y position according to my hand movement and the sprite will move accordingly. Okay, so for that I will go to motion block and I will go to X and Y. Okay, and here I will make it duplicate this block and place it here. And the second block also I will place it here, and instead of X I will change it into Y. Okay, now you can see here we have set get X from thumb and tip, and here get Y from thumb and tip. So when I press my space key, and then you will see it go here, and if I'll move my thumb here and then again if I'll press the space key, it come back to the tip of my thumb, right? And now I want it should be follow my hand wherever I will move continuously. So for that what I'm going to do, I will go to control and take forever loop. Okay, and now if I'll press the space key, then you will see the effect. You can see the sprite is rotating according to my thumb. Wherever my thumb will go, you can see how smoothly it's working, right? You can see it's easily detect the tip of my thumb, and according to that it will follow. So you can control any sprite with your hand movement, with your first knuckle, second knuckle, base or tip. With all the part of your finger, you can control your sprite. No need to use keyboard and mouse. Okay, so you can understand how we can control the sprite with the hand movements. So it's very easy to control your sprite, your game with the help of hand movement and make your Scratch project more interactive and funny. Now, if you off the camera, in that case, if you want to try, it will not work. If you don't want to see your camera, but you want your sprite still follow your hand movement, so what you can do? Here you can use the transparency block and you can place it here at the top. And here you can on the camera, but the transparency you can make it 100. Now the camera is on but transparency is to 100. That's why your face will not visible on screen, but it can detect your hand movement. Okay. Now we'll start again. Now I'll press the space key and you will see the effect. Now you can see how the sprite is moving according to my hand movement, but you can't see my hand because I set video transparency to 100. But the sprite is moving according to the movement of tip of my thumb. Okay, you can control your sprite and easily make an interactive and fun game on Scratch. I hope you understand how we can use the hand sensing to make amazing project on Scratch. Try this and tell me if it works. I am waiting for your comment. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.